morning to everyone. Hope you all are very good. As we are meeting in our live classes, so I saw my students are so good and so intelligent. So students, again today I am going to teach you chapter number 6 of Maths of class 2. So here first of all I will write CW and everyone take out your book. Right now we are learning each and everything in the book. Those who are not writing anything in the book, so students, this is my humble request to you all that please open your book and whatever I am teaching you, write it in your book. And if I am teaching you something on the board which is not there in your book, or there is no space for that in the book, that thing you can write in the copy. And first of all, today I would like to tell you that you have to write tables from 2 to 15 in your copy. Okay? In your maths copy. You have to give one line space. You have to write neat and clean and beautifully. Don't write your table directly. You have to write table in this form. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 3. Sorry, is equal to 4. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. You have to write in this format. Okay? Don't try to write 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8. Don't try to write like this. You have to write it in this format. Okay? And after that you can learn it. And I give you some work which you have to write in the copy. Okay? So first of all, today we will learn another method. I taught you in my previous video method number 1, repetition of or repeated addition. Okay? How to multiply with the help of repeated addition. Now here I am going to write another method. Okay? That is, in your book you can see, here it is written, forming multiplication tables using skip counting. It is on page number 56. Today we are learning page number 56. Okay? So everyone open your page number 56 and start learning with me. To construct the table of 2 means to write the table of 2. We start counting from 2 and then skip one number. Means suppose here I am going to teach you method number 2. Okay? This is the method number 2. Forming multiplication tables using skip counting. Using skip counting. Okay? So how to write table of 2? Suppose you have to write the table of 2. Table of 2. Table. Then how to write? First of all, if you are going to use this second method, it means you have to skip one number always. It means you have to skip one number. आपको ध्यान में क्या रखना है इस वर्ड को, skip. Skip का मतलब क्या होता है कि छोड़ देना. Skip means छोड़ देना. You have to keep it in your mind that how to write the table in this forming multiplication table using skip counting. Okay? Skip counting के थ्रू कैसे लिखते हैं, हमें एक काउंटिंग को एक नंबर को स्किप करना है, एक नंबर को छोड़ना है. So now let's start. See, suppose you have to write table of 2. Then 2 we have to skip 3. 3 को skip कर देंगे. Then we have to write 4 and then 5 we have to skip and then you have to write 6 and then 7 you have to skip. Then you have to write 8. Then 9 skip and then 10. Then 11 you have to skip. Then you have to write 12. Then 13 you have to skip. Skip करें या हम कट कर दें. Here I am teaching you right now, that's why I am trying to cut all these numbers. But no need to cut all these numbers. You can write like this directly. 2, skip 3, then 4, skip 5, then 6, skip 7, then 8, then skip 9, then 10, then after that, which number you have to skip? 11, yes. And then which number you have to write? 12. And after that, which number you will skip? Number 13. And then which number you have to write? Number 14. Then which number you have to skip? Number 15. Then which number you have to write? Number 16. Then which number you have to skip, students? Number 17. And then which number you have to write here? Number 18. Because you know the tables, okay, and you know how to write. I know this is the most easy table, so that you are able to write and so that you can understand it well. Now skip 19 and then write table of 20, means table of 2 is completed. This is the table of 2 which is completed. Here we have written directly, and here I was trying to teach you more properly कि आप ये ना समझे कि अरे मैम ने 3 नहीं लिखा कहाँ चला गया, मैम ने 5 नहीं लिखा कहाँ चला गया. So here I am showing you that how to cut the numbers or how to skip the numbers, how to cut the numbers and how to skip the numbers. After that, 13 is we have cut this number. Now you have to write 14. Then which number you have to skip? 15. Then write, means 15 we can write and cut it. And then you have to write 16, then 17 you have to cut, then you have to write 18, then 19 you have to cut, and then you have to write 20. So this is the method of skipping counting or skip counting. Through this second method, we have learned that how to write or how to do multiplication. Okay, students. Now here see, here it is written like this. 2, 3, then here it is written 4, then here it is written 5. Means these are the number which they are skipping. मतलब कि ऐसे numbers को skip कर दिया जा रहा है, इसलिए ये इस तरीके से आपको सर्कल में बना करके बताया है, so that don't be confused. 2, skip 3, write 4, skip 5, write 6, skip 7, write 8, skip 9, write 10. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे हम क्या देखेंगे? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. Then plus 2 is equal to what? 6. Plus 2, what is the meaning to write first plus 2 here? See, 2, then 3, then 4. It has come 4. Means 2 plus 2. यहाँ पे 1 plus 2 लिखा था. It means 2 numbers are given. Here it is written 3 plus 4 or 3 comma 4. Means 2 digits are there. Yes, students, these 2 digits are given. So that now it is clear that how it has come to. Means you are skipping 2 numbers. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, students. Now this is very easy method. No need to be confused that how to write. These all are so easy. If you will be confused, then I teach you again and again. No problem. I teach you again and again. You can ask me question in your live classes so that I can rectify your all issues and your all doubts and your all problems. Now, first method is done. Means method number 2 is done. I am going to teach you method number 3. Now see what is method number 3. Construction of multiplication tables using sticks. Means you need to have some sticks. Stick means कुछ डंडियाँ, कुछ लकड़ियाँ. Okay. Right now I don't have any stick with me, so that I am teaching you with the help of this book. So you can learn it very well and very easily, students. You have to take some sticks and you have to add with the help of that sticks, and you can multiply with the help of that stick. Suppose here it is given number 3. We are going to learn number 3. Construction construction of multiplication. Multiplication tables using stick. Tables using sticks. Okay. So now here I am going to draw some sticks. Suppose this is the first stick which I have drawn. Means एक स्टिक को हमने ऐसे स्टाइलिंग में रखा. You can say horizontal and vertical. Okay, then we have to draw some more sticks. Like here, this is the first example I am taking so that we can learn it well. This was the first stick, and here 4 sticks are kept. Now see what is instruction is given. To make the multiplication table of 4, we proceed as follows. Take 4 sticks, broomstick, straw, and place them horizontally. You have taken 4 sticks and you have placed it horizontally, as I told you, vertical and horizontal. Okay. Then put another stick on it vertically. Means you have put it. Means you have put one vertical stick. Means vertically. Then mark the points where the vertical stick touches the other 4 sticks. Means you have to mark this point, all these 4 points. Okay. Means all these horizontal sticks are touching at this place. This is the main place where they are touching each other. Now this shows 4 horizontal stick multiplied by 1 vertical stick is equal to 4 1 ja 4. Means these 4 vertical sticks are horizontal sticks are there, and this is one stick which is given as a vertical stick. It means 1 and it means 4, because 4 sticks are there, then you have to write 4. Then 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to how much? 4. This is your answer. Means here 1 stick we have kept like vertical, and then 4 sticks we have kept like horizontal. Then we have connected all sticks with the dot to each other. Then see what is showing here. What is showing here? Here it is showing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means 4 multiplied by 1. 4 sticks are connecting 1 stick together, or 1 stick is connecting 4 sticks together. Clear, students? See here, so many sticks are there and so many things are there. Suppose here it is written table of 4. You can see 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Then how to do? Okay, with the help of sticks. This is also very interesting. You have to see. I am reading this book in front of you so that you can understand it well. Similarly, put one more vertical stick and then mark the points at which it touches the 4 horizontal sticks. Means again similarly you have to draw 4 horizontal lines, horizontal stick, and then you have to put 2 horizontal sticks, and then you have to do what? You have to draw dots. So here you can see 4 1 ja 4, 4 multiplied by 2 sticks. It was about 1 stick, now it is about 2 sticks. Okay, here it is 1 stick given, here it is 2 sticks are given. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now are you getting? This is 4 1 ja 4 and this is 4 2 ja 8. Now you can count 1 2 3 4. 4 dots are there. Then 1 2 3 4. 4 dots are there. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? 8. Means these 4 lines are there, and we have drawn one more line and we have connected. Okay? Okay, students. So now for writing table of 4, I taught you table of 2 in this, and here I am teaching how to write table of 4. So you can draw little bit more easily. wait, I am teaching you how to draw a little bit more easy. You can draw lines like this. 10 lines you have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 lines because we have to always write tables till 10. And then you are writing table of 4, then you have to draw only 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay students? Now here you have to write 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Because 10 lines were there. And here simply you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines are there? 4 lines. So how to write the table? See, here you have to draw first of all dots. Means all these dots are connecting these dots together. Okay? See, we are drawing all dots. You have to do it very fast. Okay, it's so easy. Now, how to write tables? Okay, how to write tables? See, as here it is written 4 1 ja 4. See, you have to see this is 4 and this is 1. So here I am going to write downside so that you can learn it well. 4 1 ja 4. Here it is given 1 and here how many dots are there? How many dots are there? 4 dots are there. Then 4 2s are, because this is second line. So 4 2s are equal to how much? How many dots are there? You have to count all dots together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to count all dots together. Then here it is 4 3s are, then 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to. Now till 3 you have to count all dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then 4 3s are 12. Till 3s are, I have written this table. Now rest you have to solve your own. Means 4s are 2, 10s are you have to write your own. This is your homework and you can write it in your rough copy or your school copy, no matter at all. Okay? But you have to write table of, I am going to give you some homework. See students, this is your homework. This is your homework. You have to write table of 4, then 5, then 6 and then 7 with using this sticks. With using sticks. Sticks method. ठीक है? With the help of this stick method, you have to solve your table of 4, 5, 6 and 7 in your school copy. Okay students? So it's enough for today. Bye bye. Take care. Bye everyone.